ano namin to? First aid kit. So, what's in the first aid kit? Very important. Very important. Alright. So, normally, Band-Aids. Yan. Band-Aids, gamit na gamit yan. Band-Aids, at saka, antibiotic. Of course, pag may wound ka, you need an antiseptic, which is this one here. It's Neosporin Antiseptic Spray. Okay din yan. Kailangan yan magkasama. Next is, I have a set of gloves, just in case. Thermometer kasi this is typically used for whenever we travel with kids. So I have my thermometer here. Earache, ear relief. First time I purchased this was when we were in Hawaii, when we went to Grand Wailea this year. Kasi Cap was really complaining of earache. Hindi parang sobrang painful ng ear niya, umiiyak na siya. Ganun grabe yung level. Other than also, I saw this in Walmart. I got this from last year. Just in case, kasi feeling ko magko-cruise kami someday. But I use this sa Hawaii din also because Carlisle is complaining of dizziness, motion sickness during the, what was that trip, Baba? Yung
Road to
Hana. Nahilo-hilo talaga siya doon. Nakakahilo talaga. Also, I have ondansetron for nausea and vomiting. I have acetaminophen, chewables for kids when they get sick in the trip. Ganyan ito. So, merong chewables if you need chewables. Madali lang. I also have, ito very important to, Oragel. Because you don't know when your kids will start complaining of toothache and you don't want that to happen during a trip. So, that's important. Claritin, for allergy. What else? Zantac, Antacid. Ano pa ba?
Although may recall ngayon yun.
May recall.
Yeah.
Updated siya. Alright. This is the most important part. I bought this when we went to Maldives. This is an EpiPen. Wala naman kaming allergic reaction to anything, well, no known allergies so far. But I got this just in case magkaroon ng emergency because you're in the sea or because you're out of the country, you don't know. I got this just for that. But this is so expensive. Kasi I've heard cases, di ba? Like sometimes just because of anaphylactic shock, they die. How to use it? Meron din extra just to tell us how to use it. Alright, there. Yan. Yun na lang siya. Sa thigh. Para hindi makita yung thigh mo. Thigh. Yeah.